Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have a quick project to share with you guys. I came across this project from Happy Mail Obsessed. I'll have her link down below so you guys can check her out. She does amazing projects, and she posted maybe about a week ago an umbrella basket, and you guys, it nearly blew my mind and I could not stop thinking about it. And today I was just like, you know what? I'm coming home from work and I'm going to create this baby because it is so cute. And of course I wanted to recreate it. Now this one is bigger than I expected, so I will be making some smaller ones, and I might make them on camera, if that makes sense. Like on film. I might film that on a weekend if I have the time. If not, I'll definitely be doing a project share. So stay tuned for that. But you guys, are you ready to be like swoon? Because this is a beauty. This is the inside of the umbrella basket, and this is what the umbrella basket looks like from the outside. You guys, is this not the cutest thing you've seen? Like, this is like the perfect gift to give on Easter. I'm gonna pull out the crinkle paper that I put in here so you guys can see the full look of it. Like, look at how adorable this is. Yes, it is an SVG file. The paper that I used on the outside is Maggie Holmes Gather. Look at that, you guys. How stinking cute. Look at the back. This is so adorable, you guys. And I cannot wait to make like a bunch of little tiny ones. You can even, like, my wife had a good point. She was like, you can like put a thumbtack against the wall, kind of like little storage, and as a like a little design in the craft room. Isn't that so cute? Or like hang it from a little like thumbtack right here against the wall. You guys, I am obsessed. You fill it up with some crinkle paper and you send it off with some goodies, some candies, some embellishments. I have no idea what I want to. I have some embellishments right here that I packaged up. So I want to show you guys maybe how I might like look if you send like some goodies. Like, isn't that cute? Like if you fill it up like that for your pal. Look at that. How pretty is that? I think that would make like any person smile. I think I would like die if somebody sent me like a basket like this full of embellishments and candy and all the goodies. So I think that's a fun idea. And I didn't realize I showed you guys these things that I wanted to make a separate video for, but I might end up showing you here because why not? I've already shown you some. I want to show you how I packaged up my embellishments. But you guys, if you haven't tried this, you must. It's super adorable. It's perfect for Easter, and I think any pen pal will love it. It stands perfectly. I did some little enamel, like mint green enamel dots that my friend Kat sent me, which I love them. And these rosettes were also sent to me by one of you guys. I love when you guys send me stuff and I like use them. When you guys craft up stuff, I use them. Some of them I hoard, but some I use. And I've been using these rosettes like crazy. Those little enamel dots are my favorite, my go-tos. But yeah, and this is the paper pad I recently got from Tuesday Morning. I hauled it, the 12 by 12. Obsessed, you guys. So adorable. Love the color combos. Are these colors not me? They are so me. But let me show you guys how I packaged up some of my embellishments. I packaged up these cute little cupcake liners in the plastics, like a little plastic with a little piece of paper in the back. I didn't do too much, no like toppers or anything like that. Sometimes I don't really do all that because I think they look pretty as is. I did these little rosettes here, a 2-pack. The butterflies I did do a little extra because these look super cute. So I used one of my own bag toppers and decorated that one like that. These are the little sewn rosettes that I made. I just put them in here because I think they look so cute like that. So even if you gift them like that, you don't have to put a bag topper on everything. These are the little coin ones that I did. I don't want you guys to feel like you have to do bag toppers and all that stuff, because look, even like this, you can package up stuff and it looks adorable. These are the little umbrellas that I had made. I have them all in here. I love the way the black and white looks with the little paper I chose for the umbrellas. And then I put some flowers in here. Well, all of the little flowers that I made, and 2 other rosettes over here. And then some other rosettes that I had made, they're just packaged in here like this. And if I wanted to send out stuff like this inside here, it'd be perfect. They'd fit really nicely with the crinkle paper and everything like that. So what do you think? Well, that's it for today's video, you guys. I'm sorry if I sound all over the place, but I just finished crafting this baby, and your girl is done for the night. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. We hit 10K again after YouTube swept you guys off, but we're back at it again, and my giveaway is still going, so definitely check that out, and I will check you guys out on the next video. Bye guys.